What is up, YouTube? I'm like really close to the camera because today, or this video, this video is for y'all. Y'all, or my female subscribers, followers, friends have been asking me. I can't do it. Intro. Before we get started, here are some materials that you will need before we start. So you will need some rubber bands. It doesn't matter, you can use these ones, or you can use like elastic ones. Doesn't matter. I have clear ones, black ones, brown ones. I have yellow. It's supposed to match like the hair color, but I also have a brush, and I have a toothbrush to lay my edges or my baby hairs, and I have a comb to like separate or like add my middle part or whatever. But right now I'm just gonna use my natural hair part, but I will need it for the back when I start. And I have some gel, Eco Styling Gel, and it's olive oil. And that is all you really need. I mean, if you want, you can really add anything. I also have hair oil, coconut oil, hair serum, and like a hair moisturizer. But you don't need all that. If you just want to start braiding hair, that's up to you. But that's really it. So you start off with your hair part, and this is mine. Or you can do it like, you can section in the middle. It doesn't matter, you can use the end of the tip, like if it's pointy, or like just use the comb. And what I like to do, since I'm doing it this way instead of the middle and it won't be even, I like to part it like going diagonal, not like down, because I like to have when it comes together that I will like put it together. Does that make sense? Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you. I feel like my hair is just greasy. Okay. So grab the end of it, and then you're gonna go across like that. And then you have your other hair part. And separate it. That make any sense at all? I don't know why. I just like doing it diagonal. But there we go. We're gonna be looking a little crazy. So after you've done that, let's just add like let's grab a hair tie, and it doesn't matter which side you start on, but like this is my bigger side. So I'm gonna start with that one, so I don't look crazy. Okay, so we can push that back. Okay, let me get closer. So we have this section of hair. We're only braiding this side. Okay, now y'all gotta really watch carefully. Okay. So we're gonna grab, like, it doesn't matter where you want to start. We can grab like as much as you want. Let's start off small, or maybe we should grab more. So you're gonna like use your comb again. Combs aren't really necessary, but like, you know, we want that good even part. So we have this. So this is how I braid my hair. I don't know, people braid it differently. So like, this is my process. So you grab the section that you just pulled off. So I had to zoom in for y'all. And so I'm starting off with the 3 strands, and I'm doing a normal braid, like 3, and then I'm going to start a part closest to my face. It doesn't matter how much hair you grab. Put it under the first part, and then you want to blend it with the middle, and then you put under, like you're going to twist it with the last strand. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And you're just going to repeat yourself. Grab some hair, put it under the first strand, put it in the middle of the strand, and you're going to twist it with the other strand. And you're just going to keep repeating yourself until you have a little braid going on. You're so bad, we don't need to pretend, but I don't want war with you. All my friends, you're my best friend. You're my best friend. Because true, but I don't want war with you. Or my friends, you're my best friend. You're my best friend. He said true, probably can party, yeah, yeah. Because true, you're my best friend. I had to charge my ring light, so yeah. Okay, so let's go through it again. And we finished the other side. Here it is, y'all. Yes, sir. Okay, so we're gonna grab a section, and you can use the comb to do that, but it's easy. So, and then we separate this into 3 groups, 3 sections. I don't know what I'm talking about, group, right? Like this. And then we're gonna braid it like a normal braid, right? And then they're still sectioned into 3s. And then we're gonna grab hair over here, like a little section, and then we're gonna put it under this first strand, and then into the middle strand, and then over and twist it, pretty much, I guess that's what you, or put it over the other brand, and then we're gonna go again, and then we're gonna put it under this first strand, then put it in the middle, like blend it into the middle, and then twist it and put it like that. Like, I'm bad at describing things, so if you'd like, you can watch. But you can't really see because, like, my hands are kind of in the way. But I also need my hands because I need a braid. Follow me around, I know you. I got money on me, I know you. I got money in my pocket, I know you. Pain goes away when I'm dizzy. Pain goes away when you're with me. Hey. Even when your shadows are more risky, that's how I'm in control. Shawty is the place, boy, so let this go. We spend every summers on, but that's how I roll. Okay, my ring light has been dying, but we finished the video. So I decided to actually take a hair tie like this, put the 2 braids together, and then just tie it like a ponytail, my bad. And then I can take these 2 hair ties out, and I can just braid it together if I'd like, or I can actually section them into like 2 even sections, or I just braid it like a normal braid. And there you have it. And then you can use like a little rubber band, but I'm just gonna use another hair tie to put it together. And there you have it. Let me do like a 360. Okay. So that concludes the video. Thank you if you have made it to the end. And I mean, my outro I guess is me laying my edges.
I love to see you blush. You shopping when you nasty. You bought a product clutch. We got a lot of bucks. Catch longer than a bus. We some warriors. Looking at your heart through the cardio. And I say the time, I say the aria. She got a lot of Rastafari. You know what I'm going at the party. We don't put nothing with a heart in ya.
If you have made it to the end that fast, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, go and see my other videos. They'll be in the link or whatever. Go do that.